Hi guys, this is Jessica and I thought I'd show you how to do the crochet drop stitch. I'm using Lion Brand Woolies yarn and a size J crochet hook. So you're going to start with just a base of regular stitches. I'm doing half double crochet right here, and I'm going to just finish my row of half double crochets. Okay, and the next row I'm going to do the drop stitches. So what you'll do is make a chain one and make that loop nice and long because we're going to put it over our knitting needle, like so. Okay, we're going to skip the first half double crochet stitch and work into the next. So skip this one, go in here, draw through. We're going to chain one and then put that on our needle. Okay, so we've made 2 drop stitches. We'll do the same thing in the next stitch. Insert your hook, pull through, chain one, make it nice and long, and put it over your hook. I'll show you again. Insert your hook, pull through, chain one, and place it over your needle. And I'm going to do this all the way across the row into each stitch, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have stitches all across the row. Next thing you're going to do is just simply slide these off. And don't worry, they won't come out. They're nice and secure. This first one's a little loose, so be careful with it. You're going to pick up and insert your hook, grab your yarn, pull it through, and chain one. Okay? And then you will simply work a half double crochet into that stitch if you're doing half double crochets, which I am, and work a half double crochet into each of the drop stitches across the row. Okay, it's that easy. And you just keep going, and then you can either do another row of half double crochet, do another row of drop stitches. It's super simple and it makes a really pretty lacy look. So have fun with it. Thanks guys.